this video, we're going to talk about what this class is going to call a time series. Time series is actually going to be something different to you in Excel and in StatCrunch. So don't use the time series option. What this means to us that we have a time series is that the independent variable here is time, specifically months here, and we're going to see how this this dependent variable here, which is the closing stock price for the last trading day of the month, changes with respect to time. So it's just going to be a line graph. It's no different than when we did line graphs before. So I'm just going to, it doesn't matter if I put my data in horizontally like they did on the worksheet here, whether I do it vertically. It's easier to see all the data if I put it in vertically like this. And I want to make a graph, a chart based off of that data. And I'm going to make a line graph based off of the data. And there's the first one. Let me close this out. So there's my time series, my line graph for that first set of data. I'm going to make it a little smaller here and put it down there. I'm going to make another one for the second problem here, which is the end of month accounting balance of a statistics teacher for the months of January through December. So this is their account balance of their bank account. Same idea. And we're going to insert a chart, and we're going to make it a line graph again. And I'll shrink that down there. And there it is. So just compare those to the answers that are down here. And you can see the only difference is that there's some vertical lines here to show you the points and so on. And we can do that here. If we edit the chart, we can customize it, and we can add more grid lines. So we can change the step if we wanted to, but we want probably all of those things there. And let's see what else we want. To make sure, yep, we've got solid dots. So there it is. And that's all that I see. Oh, here we go. So if we want to make, there you go. If you want some data points, you can make small dots or medium-sized dots or bigger dots. Let's go with kind of medium-sized dots so we can see them, and I can do the same thing over here and edit the chart. And let's customize and add some more grid lines. All right, and let's look at the series here. Let's add some points like so. There we go. Okay. That's how you would do it in Google Sheets. It's really not that different to do it in StatCrunch. Pretty similar. We've already done a video on how to make line graphs in StatCrunch. It's exactly the same way, just that your input variable, your independent variable here is time in months. That's all that makes this type of line graph special. All right. see you for our next video.